Good morning, students. In the previous video, I have explained you what is economy and economic activities, that is production, consumption, investment and distribution of income. So I have left with that topic, that is what is distribution of income. So today I'll continue the explanation of distribution. Okay, this is the fourth activity which I haven't mentioned in the notes. So I'm telling you. So when we talk about the term distribution, it is termed as distribution of income. Not only distribution, it is completed as distribution of income. So there are four types of factor of production. Okay, I think you have heard about that. What are the four types of factor of production? Land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. Okay, so these are the four types of factor of production. Whenever they give their services and in return they get distributed income. So land gets rent, labor gets income, capital gets interest. Now let's see with example. Like in the previous video I have explained you that glass factory example. So factory purchases some machinery, raw material, etc. For that they may have to take loan from bank, for which they have to pay interest. So the capital के बदले हमें क्या देना पड़ता है? Interest. So the fourth factor of production which is left is entrepreneur. Who is entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is a person who bear risk in doing some production या production activity. Okay, so entrepreneur gets profit for bearing risk in doing some production. So basically land के बदले हमें क्या देना पड़ता है? Rent. And labor gets salary, capital gets interest and entrepreneur receives profit for bearing risk. So now comes to the next topic, that is activities. There are two types of activities, economic activities and non-economic activities. So the first one is activities which are performed with the motive of earning money. With the motive of earning money or livelihood are called economic activities. Okay, all the activities which I have explained you earlier, like production, consumption, investment, distribution of income, all are included in economic activity. Why I am saying like this? Because all these activities are directly fulfilling the motive of earning money. Production, consumption, investment and distribution of income are directly fulfilling the need or fulfilling the motive of earning money. So all these activities comes under economic activities. Okay, so the next one is non-economic activities. Now I'll explain you what are non-economic activities. Non-economic activities are performed not to earn money. Be very careful. Not to earn money, but to get satisfaction. Which type of satisfaction? Mainly psychological satisfaction, or we can say that mental satisfaction. Okay, so these activities are known as non-economic activities. Okay, I'm giving you an example. When a teacher teaches student in school, that activity is known as economic activity. Why? Because he or she is getting salary for that, but at the same time when a teacher is teaching his or her own kid at home, for that he or she is not getting any money, and that activity gives satisfaction to her. Okay, so then that activity will comes under non-economic activity. Okay, it depends on the motive, whether the motive is to earn money or the motive is to get satisfaction. Okay, so in the next video I'll explain you why we study economics. Till then you have to study again what I have explained you in these two videos. What is economy? what are the three economic activities, or we can say there are four activities, that is production, consumption, investment and distribution of income. Then I have explained you what are economic activities, what are non-economic activities.